Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use this particular tool from investing.com to actually trade the forex market. Okay, now you use this particular tool to find out the trend of a particular pair. It could be EUR, USD, GBP, USD, JPY, whichever pair you want to trade in the forex market. You can use this particular tool to find out the trend of the market. You and I know that in Forex, we always say, let the trend be your friend. Don't trade against the trend, always trade with the trend. Okay, so this is a tool I'm going to be showing you. Like if I go to my MetaTrader 4, you can see that I'm in profit. I'm actually trading EUR GBP, EUR USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. You can see I'm already in profit, and I'm using this particular tool to trade. Okay, this particular tool, that's what I'm using to trade. Now, you don't use this tool to trade in isolation. You also use this tool together with price action. Okay, but you get a whole lot of value from using this tool because it's going to show you the trend, and all you just need to do is to go to your MetaTrader 4. It could be on TradeView or whichever you use, to now use your trend line and all that to determine the navigation or the direction of the trend. As you can see here, I actually took EUR USD here. Okay, you can see the look at it here. You can see this is the trade. The trade is in profit. Now, if I go to investing.com, you can see this is it. Okay, so you can see this is telling me that on the 5 minutes time frame is sell, on the 15 minutes time frame is sell, on the hourly time frame is telling me is sell, and on the daily time frame is telling us a strong buy. Do you know why it's telling us a strong buy here? Now, if you go to EUR USD here, okay, you can see this is the daily. Okay, so you can see it's actually on buy on the daily, but when you go to the 4-hour time frame, so if you come to the 4-hour time frame, you can actually see that it's telling us that it's sell here. So you see that investing.com is actually right. So let me just show you how you actually get to this particular point on investing.com. All you just need to do is just to go to your browser, type in www.investing.com. After you type in www.investing.com, to make it better for you, you can decide to log in. Okay, just log in either with your Google or you log in with your email and password. Okay, now, so after logging in, you come up here where it says technical. Okay, you can see all those bar up here. You come here where it says technical, you click on that technical, then you come down here and you click on technical summary, right? When you click on technical summary, then it's going to bring you right down to this particular page here. Okay, let's just hold on so that it will load. It's going to bring you right into this particular page, right? You got the direction from technical, you click on technical summary, and it's going to bring you here. Now, when it brings you here, you're going to be seeing, it's going to be, if you can decide to actually customize it to whichever way you want it on your own. This is 5 minutes. You can decide to change this 5 minutes to whatever you want. You can decide to just come down here. You can decide to change this hourly to 5 hours. Okay, or you can decide to change this daily to whichever you want to change it to. Okay, so having done that, you now come down here. Okay, personally, I like to take my trade on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I always use this hourly. Okay, this one is 1 hour, but if you want, you can just put it on. Let me just put it here. Let's just say 5 hours. Okay, so we're going to put it on the 5 hours time frame. Okay, so when I want to take my trade, I just come down here and I check on what is this saying on the daily time frame. Okay, what is the hourly saying, what is the 15 minutes saying, and what is the 5 minutes saying. So you have to make sure that if you want to take this trade, to be on the safer side, you have to look for a particular one that all the time frame actually agrees with each other. Okay, but personally what I do is this: from 4 hours down to 5 minutes, if just like this one now, if this EUR USD, the 5 minutes says strong sell, the 15 minutes says strong sell, and the hourly says sell, like in the case of this GBP USD, in most cases, all I just need to do is to go back to my I go back to charts, okay, then I now begin to plot my support and resistance based on what I saw here, which is sell. Now, in this case, because it's telling me to sell here, okay, because you can see the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and the hourly is telling me to sell. When I come down here, I'm going to be looking for sell. I'm not buying, okay? I'm going to be looking for sell here, right? Okay, let me just show you in the case of this USD JPY here, okay? If you look at this USD JPY here, okay, you can see it's asking me to sell on the 4-hour time frame, okay? So you can see that truly, even on the daily here, you can see on the daily here, there's a resistance here. There's a resistance here. So let me quickly plot this resistance here to show you. You can see there's a resistance here, right? So it's on the resistance here. So definitely it's going to go up. When you go to the 4-hour time frame here now, you can see it's telling me to buy, right? So let me quickly show you again. If you can see here, it's telling me to buy. Okay, it's strong buy, strong buy. The 5 minutes is strong buy, the 15 minutes is strong buy, the hourly is strong buy. So definitely I'm going to be going with this. I'm going to be looking for buy. Remember, I said I always take my own trade based on 4-hour time frame, not on daily, because I like to take my trade on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I come here and I check. All I need to look for is for buy. So when I take my trade here now on this buy here, that is why you can see here USD JPY. You can see I'm in profit here. Okay. You can check all the trade, they're almost in profit except for GBP USD. Okay, on this buy now, then if I want to put my stop loss, I just need to go to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, when I go to the 1-hour time frame, I'm going to come here. I'm going to put in my take profit here. Okay, I'm going to put my put my take profit here, or I put my take profit here, right? Okay, that's my second take profit. This is my first take profit, right? I take my profit here, and I go down here. I'm going to put my stop loss. Okay, so this is, I'm just going to come, like you can see rightly, I've put my stop loss already. I just come below this buy and I put my stop loss here. Okay, so I've been using this tool and it's been very, very beneficial for me. I use it like virtually every day to decide the trend of the market and I take my trade. So presently, you can actually use this tool for free. It's actually for free presently now. So all you just need to do is to also go to investing.com, okay? Like I rightly said, investing.com, then you come up here, you come to technical, you choose technical summary, and it's going to bring you here and show you everything you need to know here. Now, for you to even understand that this thing is near to perfect, let me quickly show you something here. If you come to technical, you go to technical analysis, okay? When you click on this technical analysis, it's going to show you that this calculation actually came by with the help of moving averages, stochastic, MACD, and every other thing that you need. You can see here, okay? You can see. So as you can rightly see, let's look at this particular the EU RUSD that I took. Okay, you can see the moving average is actually saying is sell. Okay, so you come here, you can see everything. Look at this moving average 5 says sell, moving average 10 says sell, so moving average 20 says sell, right? So and look at other in the indicators. The RSI is neutral actually. ADS is saying sell. High and low is saying sell. So after they must have taken all those indicators into consideration, that is where you now come up here and you get the summary. Okay, that's where you now get the summary of the direction of the market. Okay, so it's not like they just go and just tell you to take a buy or take a sell here. It's as a result of all the technicalities of the moving averages and the indicators that not decide to give you either to buy or to sell here. Okay, so if you're a forex trader, you want to know the direction of the market, you can always come to investing.com and use this together with your own technical analysis, okay, before you be able to take your trade. And believe you me, if you use this thing properly, you're always going to be in profit taking your trade. Okay, remember the essence of this tool is just to show you the direction of the market. Okay, now if this tool shows you the direction of the market, all you just need to do is just to go with your own technical analysis. Okay, just do your own technical analysis and all that, and you take your trade, and believe you me, you're going to be in profit. Okay, as you can rightly say, I'm in profit. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.